Hi everyone, good morning. Today I discuss about the equipment used in the drying process. Drying process means the heating process. When that means the any type of substance or materials when you will heat it or dried, then the different type of equipments are very important is used. So number one, tray dryers, tunnel dryers, rotary dryers, fluidized bed dryers, and vacuum dryers, freeze dryers, etc. Now I discuss about the traders. What is the principle of traders? Their application, they are working also. And this is the diagram of the trader. Okay, everyone can see that this is the diagram of the trader. What is the parts or what is the construction of the trader? First of all, you can see already the fresh air inlet part. This is the fresh air inlet part. That means the in this position the air fresh air is inside into the tray dryer, and adjustable levers already this present into the middle part, and middle part the tray are attached. Okay, so another part is a exhaust outlet part, and by this part the air is exhausted air is outlet, and their fan screen is already attached. Through the fan, the heated air is circulated on the substance or materials which is placed into the tray, and by this circulation the total materials or substance will be heated or dried. So first of all, this simplest form of the dryer, it is the one type of category dryer, and it is called as a laboratory oven, and these ovens are very little value because there are no control of the heat transfer or humidity. Okay, and this fan is fitted to the oven. The forced hot air is circulated which helps in the increasing the heat transfer, and it also in reducing the local vapor concentration despite there is no adequate control. Okay. The base type of tray dryer is that of the directed circulation from in which air is heated and is directed across the material in a controlled flow. The material to be dried is spread on trays on the trays, and the trays are used have solid perforated or wire mesh bottoms. The middle part is already tray, and these are solid part obviously and perforated and or wire mesh bottoms, and the screen trays are lined with the paper so that air circulates across the lid rather than through the drying materials. The paper is used as a disposal tray cleaner to reduce the cleaning time and also to prevent contamination of the product. Actually, this is the tray dryer machine, and it is generally placed into the laboratory, so that's why it is called a laboratory oven. So in this dryer, the heater is already attached with this dryer, and the fan is also present into inside this equipment, and inlet part and outlet part already here in this diagram, and you can see also the heater is already attached in this attached with this equipment. So when you will dry any type of materials or substance by this equipment, then first of all you have to place into the tray, and tray is a solid part and it is a perforated and wire mesh bottoms. Wire mesh bottoms means the heat is already connected through the wire into the product. When you will product is placed or keep into the tray, then this tray is made by the wire, so that's why the heat is already passes through the wire into the product. Okay, and after that the fan is started. Okay, and by this heater the air of the fan is circulated, total materials is or total product will be dried by the circulation of the fan. Okay, and after that when the product is dried, then you can easily remove from this equipment. But when you placed any type of products or any type of dosage form or any type of drugs for heating purpose in this equipment, then I think the paper is very important. First of all, you have two product placed into the paper, and then the paper should be kept into the wire mesh tray, because this paper protects the contamination between the main dosage form means products which is heated and the others foreign particles. Okay. So that's why the paper is very important, because it prevent the contamination of the product. So this is the working, or this is the construction or principle of the tray dryer. And what is the uses? Tray dryers are used for the drying for crude drugs, chemicals, powders and granules used in the tablet manufacturing. Which type of tablet manufacturing? The powders, chemicals, solid particles, crude, this type of solid particles are heated by this the tray dryer. Okay.